successful recruitment process aims to fill open positions with high quality candidates as quickly as possible with minimal cost. Proper use of the recruitment funnel and taking action will reduce the time and money spent in the recruitment process. Welcome to another video, and today we shall look at the recruitment funnel visualization. Why is it important and how to interpret one for your organization's hiring process? Candidates flow through different stages of the recruitment, like screening through phone interviews, various levels of technical interviews, and so on, based on the company's norms. Conversion percentage metric measures what percentage of applicants have accepted the offer. Say if the conversion rate is 5% for a total of 100 applications, meaning 5 candidates have accepted the offer. This percentage sheds light on a few crucial factors of hiring. Does a lower conversion percentage mean we aren't able to find suitable candidates for the job? Are the job descriptions detailed enough to get the right applicants in the first place? Is there a gap in candidate experience throughout the hiring process, to name a few? Here's where recruitment funnel visualization comes in handy. Since every candidate goes through different stages in a hiring process, we look at the recruitment funnel to identify the effectiveness of various stages of hiring, right from application screening to the final offer stage. An example of the various stages are shown here. So, to improve the conversion percentage, we need to review the prior stages as well. The recruitment funnel shows a clear picture of the stage where there's a significant drop in candidates. Then a recruitment manager can identify that particular stage and take necessary corrective actions. We shall look at some scenarios to get a better understanding. In the example shown here, as you can see, there is a significant drop after the initial phone interview process. This might be due to factors like uncompetitive compensations, lack of clarity in the job description, etc. And as a corrective measure, the recruiter might include attractive compensations or make modifications in the job description. In another scenario, there is a significant drop in the number of candidates in the technical interview stages. This could be due to a lack of required technical expertise from the candidates, implying that there should be a change in the job description or that the initial screening has to be strengthened. There's a need to look at the hiring source to determine whether the right candidates are filling in applications. Using the recruitment funnel, you can identify and attract the best talent while also improving the candidate experience and optimizing recruitment performance. This visualization is a part of Inzara's Recruitment Manager dashboard. It is available on 3 different platforms: Power BI, Excel, and Google Spreadsheets. Product links are available in the description given below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content. See you in our next video.